These were the best of financial decisions. These were the worst of financial decisions. Two families. To the world, they look the same. Both good families who take care of their responsibilities and follow the rules. But does following the rules always mean following the traditional path to financial mediocrity? One family invests the traditional way. Following the advice of family and friends, they put their money into mutual funds in a volatile stock market. The fund manager shorts the stock, which causes the stock to plummet, and they lose money. With the ups and downs of the market, this method of investing takes them on a roller coaster ride of highs that make them feel wealthier than they actually are. So they spend what they don't have, which is followed by financial lows that bring incredible stress, sadness, and regret for their earlier spending. These downfalls and jumps play havoc with their plans for life and threaten college educations, cost vacations, and decimate retirements. The family, having lost a good deal of money in the stock market, panics and pulls their money out. But it's too late. They come away with much less than they started with. Or perhaps they put their money in their local bank, where it sits making money for someone else, while providing very little interest for the family. With record low interest rates being paid on CDs and savings accounts, this interest doesn't even keep pace with inflation. Instead, this family is paying for the privilege of loaning money to their bank that is happy to take their money and loan it out at higher rates and then keep the profit for themselves. The bank then becomes their mortgage lender, loaning their own money back to them at a higher rate than what they are making by investing with their bank. Meanwhile, our other family takes an innovative and proven path that invests with the EquityBuild family of companies, where each real estate investment is expertly selected using an econometric model and is backed by the security of real assets, earning double-digit returns. Not only does this family own real estate with EquityBuild that is totally hassle-free, but they also invest in private notes backed 100% by real estate through EquityBuild Finance. This forward-thinking family is earning double-digit returns on two proven secure types of investments and growing their wealth while reaping tremendous tax advantages that are only possible with real estate investing. With the guidance of over 30 years of experience in the real estate investment world, this family has expert advice always at their fingertips and is never alone. Daniel, their dedicated real estate consultant, REC, they have worked with for years, is with them through every step of every investment, advocating for them from property selection to financing, to selecting tenants, to making sure their investments stay well maintained, to helping them decide upon an exit strategy, and finally, choosing their next successful investment. Imagine now how their life paths begin to diverge. Our traditional investment family struggles with each financial decision and earns very little to show for their efforts. They have a 3-bedroom house in a neighborhood that doesn't always feel safe. Constant repairs to their dated home have them always worried that the furnace, roof, or air conditioner will need serious repair or to be replaced. Our family that invested with EquityBuild has earned double-digit returns on many secure, successful investments and is growing their family and living the life of their dreams. The traditional investment couple loves their children dearly and wishes they could have had a bigger family. But that was just not financially possible if their children were going to be able to live in the neighborhood with decent public schools. The EquityBuild investment family is comfortably able to afford a bigger house and has more resources to support their growing family. The traditional investment family rarely goes on vacations and mostly is only able to afford to visit friends and family. The EquityBuild family is able to show their children the world in all its wonder, sharing new experiences and enriching their lives through exploring new cultures. In the traditional investment family, the educational options for their children are limited to where they are able to earn a scholarship. Meanwhile, the many children of the EquityBuild family had the resources and the time to complete graduate school, earning highly paid professional jobs in a competitive market. They were even able to afford to have one parent stay home to raise their children, according to their values and beliefs. The traditional investment family has been unable to save much and have not acquired the expertise to show their children how to invest for the future either. Sadly, their children must work long hours at similar dead-end jobs to try to make ends meet for their own families. Thus, the cycle of never having quite enough to live in comfort and security repeats itself in every generation. This family has invested wisely in real estate with EquityBuild. Not only are their continuously growing investments something that they can pass down to their children, but they have also taught them where and how to invest their hard-earned money to securely provide for their own families and future. The traditional investment family regrets that they are not able to help their elderly parents afford to live anywhere other than the mediocre facilities that Medicare provides. However, by being able to provide in-home care, the EquityBuild family is able to help their elderly parents stay in their own comfortable home that their family grew up in, making memories for their grandchildren there as well. Unlike the traditional investment family, who has been unable to save much for retirement, the EquityBuild couple is able to plan for and finance their own retirement in comfort and ease, providing the same level of care for themselves as they did their parents. Investing with EquityBuild has provided this family with the income to lead a happy, fulfilling, and active lifestyle that carries into their retired years. They are able to pursue and enjoy the good things in life with their children and grandchildren, such as vacations, travel, and other adventures. You work hard to provide for your family. You deserve to make the most of your money, without hassles or worries. You can invest the traditional way and reap traditional financial results that often lead to an uncertain future. Or you can begin investing today with EquityBuild. We will take the guesswork and frustration out of investing and deliver the wealth-building advantages that only real estate investing can provide. Secure, guided expertise. Investments 100% backed by real estate, delivering the EquityBuild difference that further reduces risk in an already secure investment vehicle. Call us today to speak with your dedicated real estate consultant and start building your future today. Let us EquityBuild you the life of your dreams. Click here and we'll send you our free ebook, or call today to connect with your personal, dedicated real estate consultant.